Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2014 Harley Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Limited. This one is in Mysterious Red and Cayenne. It's got a lot of beautiful chrome detailing on it. We've got the dual disc braking up in the front. This one does have ABS. This is on the 103 cubic inch engine, and this one also has the Vance & Hines, and it sounds awesome. We've got engine guards front and rear, locking saddlebags, rider and passenger floorboards, the tour pack with the luggage rack on top. This bike has everything, including that heel toe shifter. For 2014, miles are really low, 21,072. And this is a 2014 Harley Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Limited. Come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.